So I'm currently working at Shakespeare in Action. It's a not-for-profit theatre company in Toronto, in Weston. They help underprivileged youth get access to theatre programming.
I'm going to go into production, actually. I'm going to Metalworks Institute to study production with all the greats, and from there on to the industry.
So next I'm going to be working as an editor on a lot of different projects, local filmmakers, but I also have my film that I made as a student project, actually, Farm Boy, premiering internationally in Dallas next month, so that's really exciting.
I really believe in theater being a process for learning life. You know, because you learn how to do carpentry, you learn how to build stuff, you learn how to time manage, you learn how to work with people, you learn how to talk to people, So the one thing you don't learn is business. So I'm actually doing a master's next year at Schulich, and I'm doing it for business.
Community art management. So it's programming in community settings, hospitals and schools and community centers.
I really love the artistic freedom we have in the program to make what we want on our own terms, so we can leave school with work that really we can put to our name.
The professors and instructors really ask us to dive deep into the history of it all, so we can understand exactly what art means.
The people and the teachers who just taught me so many things about dance that I had no idea about, the ones that have pushed me to actually really follow what I love.
The wide range of things you got to explore, not just on stage choreographing and dancing, but we learned a lot about the production process backstage. We got to produce a show.
I think the biggest thing I love about the music program was the amount of opportunities I got to explore and expand my own horizons in music.
The faculty were really great and really helpful. If you ever had an issue, you could go to them kind of like they're your friend,
Figure out what it is that I really wanted to focus on. So for example, editing, and specifically working with 16mm film. That was something that I found that I absolutely love and just totally fits with my whole, what I want to do and the stories I want to tell.
The people. Yeah, number one. That's who you learn from. That's who you grow with. That's who you laugh with, who you cry with. That's everything.
I love that we have to take courses that are outside of our major but still within the arts. So I was able to take dance for non-majors. It's great to step out of your comfort zone, and it really does help you with your own stuff with honing your own craft as well.
The fourth year fiction production class really helped me a lot, not just in terms of actual technical production and storytelling, but also how the industry works moving forward outside of school.
American Sign Language, level 1, I took as my humanities. Sign language courses are actually taught by deaf professors.
I took a Philippine dance class with Patrick Alcedo, and it opened my eyes to so much more dance. It made me want to explore different styles.
The course that sticks with me the most is feeling queerly about feminist art. To go out into the city and see artist spaces and talk to artists that are more established and who are working in the feminist sphere.
I would say to incoming students, never really sell yourself short. Don't feel like you have to compromise your vision. I feel like right now it's time to experiment and to try new things and to really get your voice out there.
Do Frosh Week, participate in council events, play intramurals, do all of those things, because you're coming to school and you're getting your education, but that's how you're going to meet people, that's how you're going to build those networks. My mom just waved at me over there, sorry.
So I would say, there's lots of, especially in the arts, there's lots of, oh, you're doing this, you're doing that, oh, that's not bad, oh, your parents don't like it, or whatever. Who cares? At the end of the day, it's not your parents, it's not anyone else who's doing that degree, it's you.
The little things, from workshops to staying behind after class to speak with your professors and connect with them, those are invaluable moments that you will cherish.
Try and keep an open mind and talk to everyone. You never know who you're going to be working with in the future, and networking is so important. So just talk to everyone and be friends with everyone, because they're great.